Hi friends, welcome to Toppers Institute Daily Current Affairs. This is Vikshapati. Today we will discuss about some of the important current affairs which came in the newspapers on June 16, 2020. The first point is here India is joined. India is the one of the founding members of the one group that is the Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence. This is the one of the very important point. GPA. What is GPA stands for? Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence. So India is the one of the founding members in GPA. So what is the purpose of the GPA? To encourage to utilize to promote the artificial intelligence for the mankind. So many theories, so many researchers conducted so many theories on the artificial intelligence. That theories should convert as a useful manner to the mankind, or utilization of that artificial intelligence in the manner of the robots. So that is the main purpose of the GPA, Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence. So along with India, some other countries are there. So we should learn some of the information related to the current affairs that regarding the countries. So here America. Recently America, that means the countries are founding members in GPA or Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence are United Kingdom, America, European Parliament, one organization, Australia, France, Canada, Germany, Mexico, South Korea, Singapore, New Zealand, India. So in these countries, some information is there which related to the useful to the our examination man. Particularly America. Recently America is in the news. It is the country quit from the WHO. WHO, World Health Organization, one of the associated organization or body of UNO, because of that COVID-19 allegations. So unable to control the COVID-19, that type of the allegations by the made by the America. Finally, America is quit from the WHO. So terminating its relations with the WHO by the America. Everyone knows the present president of the America is Donald Trump. He belongs to Republican Party. And then EU. Recently EU in the news. EU. What is EU, friend? European Union. European Union, the headquarters of the European Union located in Brussels in Belgium. On January 31st, 2020, Britain is officially quit from the European Union. So European Union. And Australia, the present Prime Minister of Australia is Scott Morrison. France, the youngest president to the France, his name is Emmanuel Macron. And between India and France, the Rafale aircraft deal also there. And Canada. So Canada, the present Prime Minister and youngest Prime Minister to Canada, his name is Justin Trudeau. And Germany, the Chancellor of the Germany, that is Angela Merkel. And then South Korea, the present president of the South Korea is Moon Jae-in. And New Zealand is one of the very important country recently, because the first country recently in the news, the first country overcome that COVID-19 and free from the COVID-19. There is no COVID-19 cases at present, not there in that New Zealand. That credit goes to the leadership of the New Zealand. The credit goes to the Prime Minister of the New Zealand. Her name is Jacinda Ardern. So got this record. Jacinda Ardern, the present Prime Minister and Women Prime Minister of the New Zealand is Jacinda Ardern. So entire credit goes to her. That free from the that COVID-19, that is by the New Zealand. So then second point, recently that Sharjah World Star Online Chess Tournament conducted. So due to the COVID-19, unable to gathering the use gatherings, that is the reason recently the chess tournament conducted on the online place. So that is the reason here Sharjah World Class or World Stars Online Chess Tournament 2020. The winner is Azerbaijan chess player. His name is Mamadgero Shakhriyar. So Mamadgero Shakhriyar, that person belongs to, that chess player belongs to Azerbaijan. The capital of Azerbaijan is Baku. And the second second place are also called as runner. Winner is Mamadgero Shakhriyar. Shakriar. And that runner is here P. Harikrishna, who belongs to our Indian chess player P. Harikrishna, our Telugu person P. Harikrishna. And then next current affair is Jammu Kashmir, the state and union territory Jammu Kashmir released the Jammu Kashmir poultry policy 2020. Why that Jammu Kashmir released this poultry policy? To boost to encourage to give the employment to the youth, particularly in Jammu Kashmir is the purpose. That means to encourage the poultry farms in Jammu Kashmir because to reduce the unemployment. So that is the main purpose of the poultry policy, to give government give the subsidy to who are ready to establish the poultry farms. They are okay. That is the purpose of the Jammu Kashmir poultry policy 2020. What type of the question we are expecting from this area? What type of question? We recently in May or June 2020, which of the following state introduced the poultry policy? The right answer is Jammu Kashmir. The present Jammu Kashmir Lieutenant Governor. So that union territories that governors we call Lieutenant Governors. On October 31st, 2019 onward, Jammu Kashmir, according to Jammu Kashmir Reorganization Act, so Jammu Kashmir divided into two parts. One is Jammu Kashmir Union Territory and one statehood, and then Ladakh Union Territory. That is the reason this Jammu Kashmir has one Lieutenant Governor is there. The present Lieutenant Governor of the Jammu Kashmir is Girish Chandra Murmu. Girish Chandra Murmu is the Lieutenant Governor of the Jammu Kashmir. Recently, Jammu Kashmir is in the news. The saffron belongs to the Kashmir or Jammu Kashmir. The saffron of the Jammu Kashmir got the GI tag. What is GI, friend? Geographical Indication Tag by the Geographical Indication Organization. So that is the recognition by the Jammu Kashmir in the name of that saffron of the Jammu Kashmir. So high quality that saffron. Then June 14. The June 14, how we celebrate every year June 14, World Blood Donor Day. World Blood Donor Day. This time the theme of the World Blood Donor Day given by the UNO, Save Blood, Save Lives. Save Blood, Save Lives. And this time for the year of 2020, not only that UNO given the theme, but also that has given the slogan also. Slogan to the World Blood Donor Day. The slogan is here, good blood and make the world a healthier place. Good blood and make the world a healthier place. This is the slogan of the World Blood Donor Day 2020. And everyone knows, friends, that Karl Landsteiner who discovered the blood group. So everyone knows. And then one book is there that is Dinyar Patel. A writer Dinyar Patel wrote the biography of the Dadabhai Naoroji. So everyone knows, friends, Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji is called as the Grand Old Man of India. The first Indian who elected as a representative to that Britain Parliament from the Labour Party, that is the Dadabhai Naoroji. Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. That book also written by the Naoroji, Dadabhai Naoroji. So the biography of the Dadabhai Naoroji written by the Dinyar Patel. The name of the biography is here Naoroji, Pioneer of the Indian Nationalism. Naoroji, Pioneer of the Indian Nationalism. That is the biography of the Dadabhai Naoroji written by the Dinyar Patel. So last point of this day, that is the germy ban. Yesterday we discussed germy clean. That is developed by the DRDO to sanitize to disinfect to kill the viruses that particularly the uniforms of the police personnel. So that is by the germy clean. This is called germy ban. Here also same device, but that is developed by the device is developed by it is a Neo Inventronics. So it belongs to this company. This organization belongs to Hyderabad. Supported by the ALEP, All India Ladies Entrepreneurs Association of the All India Lady Entrepreneurs, and this germy ban is developed by invented by That is research conducted by the under which process, you know, that is a Niti Aayog process, that is the Atal Innovation Mission. So under the Atal Innovation Mission, so this Germiban is developed by this organization, supported by the we Hub also. We Hub means here women entrepreneurs Hub also supported. So this is about Germiban, a Hyderabad based company developed the Germiban. What is the main purpose of Germiban? You know, Germiban kills the virus, disinfects the that large area, acts like a sanitizer. Sometimes this Germiban also acts like a air purifier. That is the other specialty of the Germiban. This Germiban a device that is developed by the Neo Inventronics. This device is launched by Union Ministry of State, Union Minister of the State, that particular Home Minister of the State, Kishan Reddy Garu. This is launched or inaugurated this device. That is the importance of the Germiban. So these are some of the most important current affairs which are useful to the competitive exams. So tomorrow we will meet again. Thank you.